Hey you guys, it's Yarn Goddess Cosplay, and I'm back again with another Teach Me Thursday video. If you're unfamiliar with my channel, Thursdays is where I sit down with you guys and explain a complex stitch. Today, we're going back to the basics. Last week, I showed you guys how to do double crochet, and I explained the difference between a single crochet and double crochet and the height difference. This week, we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a recurring viewer, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I literally could not be here without you guys. Today, we're going to learn how to do a half double crochet. So I have the row of double crochet that we worked on last week. And if you guys did your homework, you're doing great. I see those stitches. You're coming through. I see. You took my advice. I see that you guys made yourself a little cup of tea, gave yourself some grace. And you were patient with yourself. I'm so proud of you. Your work looks so good. So today we're going to learn how to do half double crochet. The concept is the same. You're going to start off with yarning over, going to your stitch, and pulling through. You should have 3 loops on your crochet hook. What you're going to do now is you're going to yarn over again. And this is where it gets a little bit tricky, because instead of pulling through the first 2 loops, you're going to pull through all 3 at once. This is how you do a half double crochet stitch. Now, what makes half double crochet different from single or double crochet? It is, I want to say, the middle child of crochet stitches, because it's not quite as tall as double crochet, but I'm going to make a single crochet to show the difference. It's a little bit taller than single crochet. So you kind of have this nice little hill between all 3 stitches. Half double crochet also looks different on the back. With half double crochet, you have a V stitch that is kind of on the side as well as on the top. I know I'm working with yellow yarn, so forgive me, but we shall see if I can get it right here. So the thing about half double crochet is that you have this interesting V stitch that is on the side and on the top of your project as well. And half double crochet, in my opinion, is really great for whenever you want to make 3-dimensional objects. So if you're looking to make a box and you need a secondary row that's on the side of your project, half double crochet is great for that. So once again, we're going to practice another half double crochet. Yarn over, into your stitch, pull through, yarn over again, pull through all 3 very carefully. There you go. Now, the important part about this stitch is that you should be able to undo your stitches without them getting knotted. That's true for all stitches, but extra true for half double crochet, because the stitch is essentially like double crochet, but you're pulling through all 3 loops. If you find your project getting tangled at all, just take a deep breath, untangle it, and try it again. Practice makes perfect. But that's all I got for you guys today. Practice those 2 stitches, and I'll be back again on Thursday for another Teach Me Thursday video. If you have a stitch you'd like for me to explain, feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!